Hi guys, I did this beautiful mini twist and I want to take you through the process on how I achieved it. It's so simple to do. So, first of all, you need to start by parting your hair. If you have anyone in your house who can help you with the pattern, that would be awesome. But if you don't have anyone in your house, you need to use two mirrors so that it's able to make the pattern quite easy. With braids and twists, it's the patterns that make it more beautiful. So try your best to make the patterns neat. For me, you could tell that I had another mirror at my back and one in front. That was what was helping me. So once you get hold of your section, you grab small tiny section of the mini twist that you'll be using, and then you make sure that your hair is actually well laid down so that it gives you that neat look. Yeah. So it's important that you braid your hair 3-3 before going in with whatever extensions that you have. So I put my hair into 3-3 like you see me do. So here I was trying to section my hair into three so that I can do the 3-3 braid. Yes, once you get that concept, it's quite easy. Yeah, with everything you need to practice, because if you don't practice it, you're not going to get the concept. I watched lots of videos and I thought I'd gotten it until I started doing it and I started struggling. So don't let this be you have to practice a few more times before you get it. So once you braid your hair enough, about 8 or 10, you can put your hair, the extension inside the hair, like you are trying to continue the 3-3 braids whilst having the extension. So you can just watch the video closely and you'll be able to figure out what I was trying to do. Yeah. So once you keep twisting, just keep twisting the hair. Keep braiding the hair and keep adding more extensions. So I added 3 extensions, 2 smaller ones and then 1 bigger one. The style I was going in was like a chunky twist that was short. Yeah, it's a chunky bob twist, chunky short bob twist. So I was just braiding it 3-3 before I finally went in with the extension that I had available. So you could tell that the last extension I had was bigger than the previous ones. I'm yet to add those ones, but I added a bigger one so that it gives me that chunky feel. Okay, it looks like I've already added it. So once you are done, you know that this is the twisting part. So I like to add a little gel at the tip of it and then twist just a little bit of it before leaving it into a chunky twist. With here, I realized that the twists were too small, so I think I took it down and did another one with bigger extensions, bigger quantity of hair. So if you realize that your twist is too small, you can just redo it. It would rather prefer finishing everything and the thing looking nice rather than regretting you didn't improve on certain things. Yeah. So once you are done, once you make the bottom part of it tight, the rest of it you have to make it a bit loose, yeah, so that it gives you that chunky feel. So I twisted it till the ends and then I called it. So the whole point is to make it short, yeah. So when you look at it, you could tell that one is bigger than the other. So I had to redefine and do everything. Fast forward, I couldn't do everything on camera. So this is what I went to do off camera and now I am back. So this is everything I want to be using at one section. So I have to divide it into 3, 2 smaller ones and then 1 big one that I'll be using so that it's able to balance nicely. Yeah, it's not going to be too small at the tip and then big at the bottom. It's just going to give me the right definition that is needed. So as I mentioned earlier, make sure that your hair is already in neat patterns and then you braid your hair 3-3 like you would do any other hair. So you braid it 3-3 for about 6, 7 or 8 times when you know that you've had enough grip of your actual hair, and then you go in with small extensions. So once you go in with small chunky extension like this, then you braid it with the one you already have. Yeah, so please watch the video carefully and you'll be able to get the concept. I used my hands to grab the rest of the extensions and then I joined it with the other 2 and then continued braiding the hair. Yes, so while I was braiding the hair, I also added a few more extensions in order to fill in the hair that I had braided. Yeah, so when I noticed that when I added the small, it was able to give me an even feel. Usually when I add it big at once, the down part of the hair looks small and then the middle part or some part just looks big out the, like it didn't have any a right ratio. So once I have enough territory, I add the last extension, the bigger one, and then I braid it throughout. Yes. Now let's talk about this hair. I feel like I haven't talked about this hair enough. This hair is so soft. Like when I say soft, this is a definition of soft hair. You can do it and someone will think after you were done you added some water. Meanwhile, there was no water. This is 100% human hair, so it's so soft. Yeah, let's go back to the video. So once you have enough braids, you have to start twisting the hair. Make sure that you have even a proportion of hair shed on both sides. When you don't have it, you later regret it while you are braiding it. So I use some gel to start the top part of it, and then I twisted it downwards as time went on. Then I made it loose at a point in order to give me that chunky feel that I was looking for. So with making it loose, you just have to leave enough space as compared to when you were starting the twist. You have to leave enough space while twisting, and then when you're done, you just roll. Yeah. So this is me showing you more angles so that you get the concept better. Yeah. So if you want this hair, they are called Noble Hair Official, and you can find them on Instagram. They're even here on YouTube. You can also find them on TikTok. The hair is soft. If you are looking for quality human hair, this is the right definition. This hair, I have not done anything to it, but you see how shiny it looks. Like it looks so shiny. Here I was contemplating whether I should leave it long or I should still finish and then curl the bottom, because even though it was long and that wasn't the initial style, it was looking very, very, very nice. Yeah, you can do this twist yourself at home, but bear in mind that it's time consuming. But once you are done sectioning the hair, everything seems easy and it will not consume as much time as you would think it will, because you have already sectioned the hair. Guys, I'm sure if you have watched to this point, you understand how to braid your own hair using extensions. I hope you understand. Yeah, so I'll be sharing more videos on hairstyles and also how to do your own hair, so that we are not only focusing on learning how to grow our hair, we are also learning how to style and wear our beautiful, natural and relaxed hair out. Yes, we are not leaving no stone unturned. So this is it. The back is looking neat. I was getting close to the finish line, and you know when you're getting close to the finish line, the excitement you get is irreplaceable. I was so excited because I used 2 days to do this, and finally I was getting close to the finish line, so I was so happy about it. So I did the down, I rolled it down, and then I was good to go. I did it throughout the hair, make sure that the measurement was equal to the ones in front, so that I wouldn't have some longer than the other. Yes, guys, this hair, I will do it again and again and again. Maybe in the next time I'll let someone do it for me, because apart from the fact that it was time consuming, this hair is the best hair I've worn in a long time. And you know something about short hair, it brings out your beauty. It's able to define your face. I don't know, it's just cute. It can be taken to a lot of places, can be taken anywhere. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. Would you be wearing this hair yourself? Do well to subscribe to the channel, do well to like this video, and do well to share your comments. Bye.